Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I wonder if this is by way of an apology, because Aisha Buhari of course is alive to the sensibilities of the space that she occupies within the Nigerian space. Unlike everything else that goes on within the Aso Rock space, the Kabbalah and everything, she singularly is alive to the zeitgeist of the moment and the spirit of the space that she occupies within the Nigerian hegemony. So with that guys, I bring you this: why I shared video of my daughter in presidential jet. So that's the headline, and it is attributed to Aisha Buhari. So again, why I shared the video of my daughter in the presidential jet, and it is Aisha Buhari saying this. The First Lady Aisha Buhari Monday defended the decision to share on her Facebook the video of her daughter Hanan inside the presidential jet, saying the move was not intended to taunt Nigerians but to boost the morale of a distraught child. The president's wife had on Monday posted a 55-second video of the young woman's activities in Bauchi, where she participated in a study tour of the emirate as part of the requirements of a master's degree program in a foreign university. Mrs. Buhari spoke through her special advisor on media, Abdullahi Aliyu, insisted that the action was simply to showcase her daughter's business in Bauchi. According to her, the action was simply to lift Hanan's spirits. The spokesman said, "I must say that the First Lady can't taunt Nigerians. For those who fly the British Airways very well, they would know that except the president is on a trip outside the country, she goes on a commercial flight." She, of course, being the First Lady. You can imagine the inconveniences the security operatives around the First family could subject other travelers to if it were to be a commercial jet. So the truth is that the First Lady never meant to taunt anyone, but rather she is trying to explain what the trip was all about and to boost the morale of a daughter who had been subjected to tirades. So now this lady now coming out to explain herself. So I applaud her for that, for one. And you all know, if you follow this channel, that I have a particular liking for Aisha Buhari, and I'm just not saying that just because she's a pretty lady, but really because of the way she presents herself within the Nigerian space. A lot of you will say it's Takiya and they're just using that to majority you or whatever, but I do like the lady, and anytime she comes out within the space, she always has an opinion that tallies with mine. She came out with the Bukola Dakolo thing and tried to force a position with the Nigerian police. She's come out with girls being abused in some disabled schools, which I also agree with. So anytime she comes out, really, and she also comes out really to speak to Nigerians about what goes on within the regime, that look, her husband has been captured by this cabal, and you have to really look at it within that prism. So she says a lot of these things that I agree with. So I was a little bit jarred that she put out a video almost like saying "Obi" to Nigerians when they were complaining that her daughter was using the presidential jet as a personal taxi. But of course, as it tallies with my perception of this lady, she has now come out in the public space to clarify her position, to say, look, no, I respect people, I respect this nation, and I respect the position that you have put us in. I was not taunting anyone. One, as a mother, I am backing my daughter, and of course, as any mother would understand that. And two, I am trying to boost her morale, because of course she's come under a lot of attack off the back of this. And also, I am trying to showcase what she has actually gone to Bauchi to do, so that you guys can take some pride in it, that your daughter, our daughter, my daughter is doing this. So this is the language now that she's trying to use to tone it down, unlike the arrogance that you get from all these Peter Ofanaya and all these elements, Garba Shehu and Femi Adesina, all these empty-brained idiots who will double down on stupidity. This lady has now come out to say, look, sorry, oh, but you know, she's my daughter, and you know, I have to back her. If I'm not backing her, if you would come after me if I throw my own daughter to the dogs. So yes, I understand your concerns, but I have to back my daughter. It is nothing to do with me. I don't sign off presidential fleets, but as my own daughter, I have to back her, and you really have to consider to her as a mother backing her daughter. Conversations in the comment section, I am sorry people, is effectively what I am reading into this. What do you read into it? Come share thoughts about this in the comment section with me. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you think of how Aisha Buhari has positioned herself on this matter and on matters relating to Nigeria in general in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.